Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Simple English Conversation Practice, a story for beginners. Introduction. This is a simple English story to help you practice listening and speaking. The story follows John, a young man who wants to improve his English. He faces different situations in daily life where he must speak in English. Through practice and real conversations, John learns to speak confidently. This story includes real-life dialogues to help beginners improve their English skills. Chapter 1. Meeting New People. John is from Spain, but he moves to London for work. He is excited but also nervous. He does not speak English very well. One day, John goes to a park. He sits on a bench and sees a man reading a book. John wants to practice English, so he decides to talk to him. John, hello. Man, hello. How are you? John, I am fine. And you? Man, I am good. My name is David. What is your name? John. My name is John. David, nice to meet you, John. John, nice to meet you too. John is happy. He has spoken English for the first time in London. Chapter 2. Ordering food at a cafe. The next morning, John goes to a cafe. He wants to order coffee and a sandwich. Waiter, good morning. What would you like? John, good morning. I want coffee and he forgets the word. Waiter, a sandwich. John, yes, a sandwich, please. Waiter, okay. Do you want milk in your coffee? John, yes, please. Waiter, that will be £5. John, here you go. Thank you. John feels proud. He spoke in English and ordered food successfully. Chapter 3. Shopping at the supermarket. John goes to the supermarket to buy groceries. He needs milk, bread, eggs, and fruit. He cannot find the milk, so he asks for help. John, excuse me, where is the milk? Store assistant, the milk is in aisle 3. John, thank you. At the checkout, he speaks to the cashier. Cashier, do you need a bag? John, yes, please. Cashier, that will be £12. John, here you go. Thank you. John is learning more English every day. Chapter 4. Asking for directions. John wants to visit a museum. He does not know the way, so he asks a woman on the street. John, excuse me, where is the museum? Woman, the museum is 2 blocks away. Go straight and turn left. John, thank you very much. Woman, you're welcome. John follows the directions and finds the museum. He is happy that he asked for help. Chapter 5. Talking to a new friend. At the museum, John meets a woman named Anna. She is also learning English. Anna, hi. Where are you from? John, I am from Spain. And you? Anna, I am from Italy. John, oh, nice to meet you. Anna, nice to meet you too. They talk for a long time and become friends. Chapter 6. Taking a taxi. One night, John needs to take a taxi home. John, hello. Can you take me to Green Street? Taxi driver, sure. Hop in. John, how much will it cost? Taxi driver, about £10. John, okay, thank you. John listens to the driver and learns new English words. Chapter 7. Talking on the phone. John's boss calls him at work. Boss, hello, John. Are you at the office? John, yes, I am here. Boss, can you send me an email? John, yes, I will do it now. Boss, thank you. John is happy. He is improving his English at work too. Chapter 8. Making an appointment. John needs to see a doctor. He calls the clinic to make an appointment. Receptionist. Hello, this is City Clinic. How can I help you? John. Hello, I want to see a doctor. Receptionist. Okay. When would you like to come? John. Tomorrow morning, please. Receptionist. Okay. Your appointment is at 10 a.m. John. Thank you. John is happy. He can now speak English on the phone. Chapter 9. Meeting friends for coffee. John meets his friends David and Anna at a cafe. David. Hi, John. How are you? John. I am good. How are you? Anna. We are good. Do you want coffee? John. Yes, I want a cappuccino. David. Me too. They talk and laugh. John is more confident in speaking English now. Chapter 10. A job interview. John wants a new job. He has an interview. Interviewer. Hello, John. Tell me about yourself. John. I am from Spain. I work hard and I learn fast. Interviewer. Why do you want this job? John. I want to improve my skills and help the company. Interviewer. Great. When can you start? John. Next week. Interviewer. Okay. Welcome to the team. John gets the job. He is very happy. Chapter 11. Talking about hobbies. One day, John and Anna talk about their hobbies. Anna. What do you like to do? John. I like to play football and read books. Anna. Nice. I like to paint and watch movies. John. What is your favorite movie? Anna. I love Harry Potter. John. Me too. They enjoy talking in English. Chapter 12. Learning every day. After 1 year in London, John speaks English fluently. He is not afraid to talk anymore. He listens to English music, watches English movies, and practices speaking every day. One day, his boss tells him, John, your English is very good now. John smiles. He worked hard, and now he is confident. The end. Party popper. Direct hit what you learned from this story. Heavy checkmark basic conversations in English. Heavy checkmark common English phrases for daily life. Heavy checkmark how to speak English with confidence. Heavy checkmark the importance of practice. Loudspeaker how to use this story to learn English. Pushpin listen and repeat the dialogues. Pushpin practice speaking with a friend. Pushpin write new words in a notebook. Pushpin watch English movies and listen to English music. Pushpin never be afraid to make mistakes. Backhand index pointing right like. Share and subscribe for more English learning stories. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Simple English conversation practice, listening and speaking for beginners. Improve your English. Speaking head, want to improve your English speaking and listening skills? This video is perfect for beginners who want to practice simple English conversations in daily life. Learning English can be easy and fun when you practice with real-life dialogues. In this video, you will hear slow, clear, and simple English conversations that will help you improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence in speaking English. Open book what's in this video. This video includes practical English conversation examples for different real-life situations. Heavy checkmark introducing yourself and meeting new people. Heavy checkmark ordering food at a restaurant or cafe. Heavy checkmark shopping at a supermarket and asking for help. Heavy checkmark asking for directions and talking to strangers. Heavy checkmark making small talk and talking about hobbies. Heavy checkmark speaking on the phone and making appointments. Heavy checkmark taking a taxi or public transport. Heavy checkmark going for a job interview and work conversations. Direct hit, how will this video help you? White heavy checkmark improve your listening skills with clear and slow speech. White heavy checkmark learn useful English phrases for daily life situations. White heavy checkmark practice speaking English with confidence. White heavy checkmark perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. White heavy checkmark build your vocabulary with common words and phrases. Memo how to use this video for learning. Pushpin listen carefully and repeat the sentences. Pushpin practice speaking along with the video. Pushpin write down new words and learn their meanings. Pushpin try using the phrases in real life. Pushpin watch the video multiple times to improve understanding. Globe showing Europe Africa. Who is this video for? Heavy checkmark English beginners who want to practice simple conversations. Heavy checkmark students learning English as a second language, ESL. Heavy checkmark people who want to improve English for work and travel. Heavy checkmark anyone who wants to speak English fluently. Rocket start practicing today. Watch this video, learn new words, and speak English with confidence. Speech balloon like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Bell don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.